Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make bread at home with instant yeast. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 4 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of instant yeast, and 1 teaspoon of salt. For the wet ingredients, have 1 1/2 cups of warm water, ideally between 105 and 115 degrees Fahrenheit, and 1 tablespoon of olive oil ready. These basic items are all you need to begin your delicious bread-making journey. Now, let's get our hands a little messy. In your large bowl, whisk together the flour, instant yeast, and salt. Next, pour in the warm water and olive oil. Mix everything with a spoon until a shaggy dough comes together. Turn this dough out onto a lightly floured surface and knead it for about 8 to 10 minutes. You'll know it's ready when it feels smooth, elastic, and springs back when gently poked. After kneading, lightly oil a clean bowl and place your dough inside, turning it once to coat. Cover the bowl with a clean kitchen towel or plastic wrap. Allow the dough to rise in a warm spot for about 1 to 1.5 hours or until it has visibly doubled in size. Once risen, gently punch down the dough to release the air, then shape it into your desired loaf, ready for its final proof. For the final step before baking, place your shaped loaf into a greased baking pan. Cover it again and let it rise for a second time for about 30 to 45 minutes until it appears puffy. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake the bread for 30 to 35 minutes or until the crust is a beautiful golden brown and it sounds hollow when tapped on the bottom. Enjoy your freshly baked homemade bread.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.